Hello girls and guys, Boris Gelfand, real estate broker for Florida and New York. Guys, I would like to show a beautiful community in Boca Raton. It's very family oriented, nice gated community with single family houses. So we're in a Boca and the neighborhood very high end, but house is really nice price. So we're gonna see 5-bedroom house. Actually it's 4-bedroom full plus office. So if you have big family, it can fit easy 5 bedrooms. Size of the house is 3,300 square feet. So under AC, so garage and everything excluded. So house in good shape. Asking price today is 625. Again, all prices negotiable. It's house on Lakeview. This is why we choose to show you, because it's a very attractive deal because of the Lakeview and side of the house. So you don't have to have $1 million to have 5 bedrooms in Florida, and I will show you how it looks from outside of the terrace. Again, house 5 bedrooms with a pool. I mean, it's everything what you need in a life. For sure you have bigger houses. Plus of this house is flat, it's range, so you don't have stairs, and like you see, you have beautiful view, you have enough space for kids, jacuzzi, very deep pool, backyard very good size, so you can put grill if you want. Again, house updated, it's all windows was replaced, it's 97 I think, and again that's new codes came, so all windows hurricane proof. And when we're gonna decide if you want to buy something, for sure we're gonna make a home inspection. So fire space, which is for sure electric, but very nice and attractive. It's good size of the kitchen, which is gloss, wood gloss, wolf appliances. So house done with a good taste. So basically it's open concept. On the right side you have cabana bathroom, and which has separate room. It could be good for your nanny or somebody who wants to be independent. So house 3,300 under AC, like I said before, and 3-car garage. So house has marble floors. This is a room which, as I said, it could be bedroom and it could be office. So it's not big size, but again it has shelves. You can convert it to the closet. So this is a den area. Let me close the door so it's not going to be hot inside. Let me show the bedroom, master bedroom. Master bedroom facing lake, which is sleeping, and you see all what's going on the lake. It's very nice view, and it's decent size. And again, house, like I said, it's range. It's big plus, so you have everything in one story. 2 closets, her and his, left and right. So it's deep plus. This is a little bigger, for sure it's her. Okay, so, and this is 2 sinks, jacuzzi, marble floor around, and shower behind the wall. This is what's popular to build, so shower behind the wall. So jacuzzi shared with the shower, and double sinks, toilet, bidet. Again, house in good shape. I think it's we can get it a little less than 625. So in my opinion, it's worth 565, 575, depends what kind of contingency we want to put in the contract. Like I said, it's very attractive because of the view. Again, people, it's always 10, maybe 15% different between lake view and garden view, let's say. So you need to take in mind, a lot of people want to have some water views. This is why some people will pay a little more. No, and you're gonna have compete with other offers. So area has a really high demand because of best schools. There's a really best schools of South Florida, which is safe and 10 rated. It means all schools are best. And this is why people are moving from other places and to have kids to go to good schools, which is safe and without any criminal. So guys, sign for our channel, and I would love to answer for all your comments. Visit our website, gelfandrealty.com. You can find all inventory around, which is updated daily. And you can ask me all these questions by comments, or you can text me or call me by Viber, WhatsApp, or phone. +1 646 431 8072. 1-646 431 8072. Guys, see you soon. Thank you.